Microsoft just laid off 3% of its global workforce. Yes, the giant company Microsoft, which is known for its Windows system and all other products like LinkedIn and a lot of things like Azure Cloud also, they have laid off more than 7,000 employees. That includes project managers, team leads, and developers. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very interesting and important because we are going to discuss three important things. First one will be regarding the Stack Overflow. A lot of developers might already know what Stack Overflow is. The second thing we are going to discuss is about Microsoft layoffs and what are the implications and impact on other developers. Third thing we'll discuss about a viral LinkedIn post on the basically topic of layoffs. Okay. So first thing is that Stack Overflow, everyone knows about it. Everyone might have already used it, and it has helped a lot of developers and testers to solve a lot of bugs and lot of problems. Personally, when I started my coding journey back in 2020, I was using Stack Overflow like hell crazy. I was using it for every other bug that get, and I was simply going on Google and searching and getting it fixed. So personally, for me, Stack Overflow has been a boon. Okay, it has been a lot of help for me and a lot of developers like me. And it is observed due to the advent of AI, due to ChatGPT, due to DeepSeek and other AI tools. Okay, there are a lot of them. GitHub Copilot, you have other tools also, right? Okay, you have Anthropic's AI model also that is helping a lot of developers to solve all their problems. Okay, to solve all their bugs. There are some vibe coding platforms also like lovable.ai, and you have other platforms like Cursor AI, okay, which is a IDE integrated with AI, okay, LLMs and everything, which will help you to write your code and which will again help you to decrease the development time to understand everything, and it will be beneficial for you. Okay, so let us not discuss on that, but right now what is happening, Stack Overflows like questions that were asked in particular month, that has decreased to a low as that of 2009 when it was started. So this is a big concerning thing for the company, but definitely there has to be, as we all know, always know, right, that change is the only constant. So there always has to be a change. You have to adapt that and you have to move on. If we don't adapt to the change, then definitely we'll be staying at the back. The second important point is regarding Microsoft layoffs. They have done layoffs for a lot of employees. People who are having experience of 25 plus years, they were also laid off. A person came on to like twitter.com and he mentioned that I was working for last 18 years at Microsoft dedicatedly, committedly. I was always the top performer of the team, but still I was fired. I was working as a TypeScript developer for the last 10 years. This was what the person said who was working for 18 years at that particular company. Now, a lot of people's dream has been shattered. A lot of people, freshers from India who joined Microsoft, experienced candidates who joined Microsoft, they were also laid off. Not only in India, but other parts of the world, in Europe also, a lot of developers were laid off. And this has been a big thing because Microsoft, which is one of the biggest product based companies, okay, after Google and after Apple, they are doing it. So this means that jobs are not safe anymore. They want to show profits to the investors. They want to reduce the overhead, overhanging people who are not performing really well. Few days ago, Google also did the same thing. They have linked the performance bonus and everything with the high paying performers will be getting the higher packages or the higher bonuses. Others who are not performing well in the team will not be getting the higher packages, right? Higher bonuses, I would say. The second important point that went viral on LinkedIn is one person who was staying in a building of 4 floors. That person mentioned that his owner, okay, the owner of that building is the landowner, okay, the owner of that building, basically. Sorry to babble a lot. That person is working as a team lead in Dassault system. I think it was Deutsche Bank, sorry, not Dassault system. So that person was having 3 different properties in Bangalore itself. You can identify a person who is working in IT as a team lead is having 3 different properties, and that person is earning monthly more than 2 lakh rupees just from rents. Yes, 2 lakh rupees from rents. So what that person meant was the tenant meant, and he came on LinkedIn and he said that my flat owner is basically getting 2 lakh rupees every month, and the job that he's doing is the side income that he's getting. So even from the job, it is difficult to get like 2 lakh rupees. It is difficult in India. Here in India, if you are unless highly skilled or you are in a tech stack which is very rare. Okay, so by this he wanted to make sure that people have invested in other assets also, not only home. There can be commercial assets, there can be agricultural land from where you can get in any form of income. So this is what he wanted to highlight, that it is important for you to have multiple sources of income. Even if you get laid off, that income sources will help you to survive. Okay, you should have almost 6 to 8 months of the runway. You should have that kind of money that will be required for you to survive even if your job is lost. because it is unpredictable. There is always some of the other changes after every 5 year 10 years. The technology or the tech stack that is in demand changes. So that is the same thing happening right now also. Lot of AI developers are coming into picture. Gen AI developers, prompt engineers are coming into companies. And that is how the IT perspective or the persona is changing. With this, I would like to end our today's video. Please share this video with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great day ahead.